Right, so you need to do a design specification. The first question is, what is a design specification? A design specification is all the information that you need before you start designing your pencil case. And so, for example, you might need to know who your target customer is. You need to know a bit about them. Otherwise, you won't be able to target your pencil case to them and they won't buy it. You need to know what the product is for. You obviously need to have a good idea of what the product will look like. You might need to consider the environment. You need to know the types of materials that the product is going to be made of and where it will be used and how it will be used. It's really important that you know this information when you're designing and thinking about making a product. And we call this a design specification. Another easy way of thinking about a design specification is that a design specification is everything that the product has to have, has to do, and has to be. Okay, so I want you to use this film and the sheet that's attached to write a design specification. And I've divided it up into things called criteria. So there are different criteria. And these are all the different subjects that you can see in the coloured bubbles on this page in front of you. I want you to write criteria based on these different sections and the questions that are there to help you. Now you need to write a good paragraph on each, not just one-word answers. Okay, so aesthetics, what should the product look like? You need to write what your product is going to look like, okay? Include in that what theme your product is based on. You can lay this out in all different ways. Following from this particular section, I will just be making a few other suggestions, but I want you to be really imaginative in how you lay out your design specification. Okay, so you could use a computer and you could type into boxes and colour them on the computer and lay it out in boxes or stars or circles or whatever shape you want. That's fine. You could, if you wanted, write it and put it in boxes. You could put gel pen shapes around it. Okay, I want it to be neat. I want it to be in full sentences. I want it to be spelt correctly and detailed, and I want you to lay it out imaginatively.